I kill you, a plan for kill me?
Kill you, yes. You don't serve no other purpose.
I mean, just like how you killed that man and blamed it on me.
He was just a rival who got in the way. So we just dust him. A bit like you.
Sorry, Fearless. Can't leave now. You know too much.
How do you plan on stopping me, Iago?
Well, I don't, but this will. What's the matter, Antoine? Not so fearless anymore, are you?
What's going to happen to our daughter?
Hi, Silda.
Yes, you weren't the only one who fuck and bring her come here, you know. She might look like you, but I mean she favor. She have nothing at all for you.
I Silda father a real bad man, not a coward pussy like you.
Well, at least I still have you doing it, Keisha.
Sorry. Jacket. All two of them.
Let me bring you up to speed, Fearless. How else do you think we managed to plant so much cash at your father's offices? I controlled the accounts, and your father was a trusting fool. We run an enormous organization here, Fearless. Ale controls New Cross, Deptford. Takesha controls Brockley, Brixton. And I, my friend, control them. Checkmate, ladies.
You're gonna spoil everything now, boss.
Shut your ass! Do you think I like chinks and niggers like you? Don't you move, boy. Over here with your sluts. Now, any last requests? No? Then who's going first? You come, try it, no?
No.
Eeny, meeny, miny,
Oh, no, you can't have everything. I beg you, don't kill me. I beg you, hallelujah.
I hate beggy Jamaicans, don't you? Thieves and scroungers, all of them. Come on. Up we get.
I'm ready to die, Iago. Take your best shot.
Before you die, I do want you to know I fucked your mother once or twice. She was nothing special. Just another empty-headed black bitch who'd sell her soul for $1. I used her just like I used you. And I want you to take that to your grave. Goodbye, Fearless. See you in the next life. Run, Kunta Kinte. Run, but I'll find you.
You and Diago? And what price did he pay for your services, mother? Or did you pay him in kind?
Shut up, you mad weakling. You've never been good with things of a delicate nature.
Delicate? Mother, he tried to kill me. Doesn't that mean anything to you?
What did you do to upset him?
I can't believe you're asking me that. I did nothing. Nothing at all. Mother, we have to go to the police. We have to tell them about his operations. He's dealing in drugs that are killing our people.
Oh, calm yourself, Fearless.
You're a murderer!
My advice...
I didn't ask for your advice. You won't get away with this.
But I already have. Where's your evidence? Who are your witnesses? There's no one going to believe a low-life little thief and murderer like you.
Mother? You would kill your own flesh and blood? But I'm your son. I'm a part of you mentally and physically.
I could always have another.
Not one like me. Mother, I love you, Mother.
My career is far more important to me than you are. Love? You will never understand real happiness until you've truly loved. And you will never understand real pain until you've lost that love. And now, for the future. Perfect black man. No. Please. Perfect black woman.
Like an hourglass yard bar. Pressure them in at the E-class. And you know you do your shopping, it no matter what it cost. Them now gonna whistle them quick to talk. And it put them through you taking off like an aircraft.